All right, so let's talk about something that's a huge pain for a lot of teams. We're going to look at a tool called Sendwin, and it's all about a totally different way to share access to online accounts. Yeah, a way that doesn't involve sharing passwords at all.
So, let me ask you something. Have you ever sent a password over Slack, or email, or even a text? Come on, be honest. We've all done it, right? You need someone to get into an account right now, so you just paste it in. It feels a little sketchy, but hey, it gets the job done. Well, that's exactly the problem we're diving into today.
And this really lays it all out, doesn't it? You've got the old way on one side, which is, let's face it, risky, super slow when you're chasing down those MFA codes, and just messy. There's no audit trail. Then you have the Sendwin way, secure because no passwords are ever shared, fast because it's instant access, and clean with crystal clear permissions. The difference is night and day.
Okay, so let's break down this password sharing problem. Why is that old way officially broken? It's not just a bad habit, you know? It creates some really serious headaches for pretty much any team out there.
And here are the risks, plain and simple. First, you've got credential sprawl. I love that term. It's when passwords just end up everywhere. Pasted in chats, buried in documents, sitting in support tickets. It's a mess. Plus, you're probably breaking the terms of service for a bunch of platforms, and audit trails? Forget about it. You have no idea who did what. Then there's the nightmare when someone leaves the team. You got to reset everything. Oh, and let's not forget cross-contamination. You know, when cookies and cache from one account start bleeding into another? Ugh, what a disaster.
So, okay, that's the problem. What's the solution? This is where Sendwin introduces a totally different way of thinking. The big idea is this: share the access, not the password. It's like, instead of giving someone a copy of your house key, you're just letting them in for an hour while you're there. Big difference.
And this quote really nails it. You share a live browser session, not your credentials. Think about that for a second. Your teammate gets to work just as if they're logged in, but they never see the password. They can't copy it, they can't save it, it's completely hidden. That's the secret sauce right there.
All right, so what exactly is Sendwin, actually? It's what's called a cloud browser. It's purpose-built for this exact kind of thing, multi-login and secure collaboration. Basically, instead of the browser running on your computer, it's running on a powerful remote server. What you see on your screen is just a stream of that browser. And every single tab is totally isolated from the others. It's a whole new way of browsing.
Now, you might be thinking, is this actually secure? And yeah, security is the whole point. It's built to be rock solid. We're talking top-tier encryption, AES 256 and RSA 2048. It's a zero-trust model, which is huge. Nothing is shared between tabs. And my favorite parts? You can create disposable sessions for one-off tasks, and even set timers so access automatically expires. So smart.
Okay, I know. Cloud browser, zero trust, it all sounds pretty technical, right? But the beauty of it is how simple it is to actually use. Let's walk through how it works. It's just a 4-step process. Seriously, this is it. Step 1, you launch a fresh, isolated tab from your dashboard. Step 2, you log into whatever website you need, just like you always do. Step 3, with a single click, you share that live session with a teammate. And step 4, when the job's done, you just dispose of the whole session. Poof, gone. That's it. So incredibly simple.
So what's the tech behind this magic? It's called remote browser isolation. And the concept is actually pretty straightforward, but really powerful. It means all the website code, the good, the bad, the ugly, it all executes in the cloud, not on your computer. So any risky stuff, any malware, it never even touches your device. Each session is like its own little sealed-off bubble.
Okay, the tech is cool, but who actually uses this, and why? Let's get into some real-world examples of how different teams are getting these password-free wins.
Check this out. An e-commerce seller, they can share their storefront access with an agency for exactly 1 hour. No password needed. A digital marketer, they can manage a dozen different client ad accounts at the same time, in parallel, with zero cookie collisions. An SEO pro can check search results from different countries using proxies for each session. Or how about this one? A developer can let a freelancer work in a protected session, but block them from even seeing the billing pages. It's all about that precise, temporary control.
And it's not just about security either. The performance gains are huge. We're talking about faster pipelines and way less manual work. Think about all the time you waste logging in, logging out, clearing cookies, juggling different Chrome profiles. This gets rid of all that hassle.
All right, so if you're thinking, wow, my team could really use this, let's talk about getting started.
It's super straightforward. So here's a look at the plans. They're tiered based on what you need, mostly how many sessions you want to save and how many you need to run at the same time. You can see there's a really cheap 7-day starter plan just to test the waters. Then you've got the Pro plan, which is the most popular, a team plan for when you're growing, and a business plan with more advanced features. Pretty clear.
And getting going is ridiculously easy. It's literally 3 steps. 1. Sign up. 2. Pick a plan. Even that low-cost trial is fine to start. And 3. You start browsing. You can launch your first cloud session instantly. And get this, there's nothing to install. It all runs in your regular browser.
So let's just boil this all down. The first big takeaway is this: stop sending credentials.
Instead, you need to start sharing sessions.
Because that is how you scale your work safely. So leave you with a question to think about. After seeing all this, if your team is still sharing passwords in Slack or email to get work done, what needless risks are you accepting? Really think about it.